A dull knife is more dangerous than a sharp one. Today I'm breaking down the best way to sharpen and restore your kitchen knives so they cut like new. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, I'm mastering the art of knife sharpening, covering everything from fixing chipped blades to achieving a razor-sharp edge. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding knife sharpening. A sharp knife is safer. Less force means more control. Whetstones versus electric sharpeners. Whetstones give better precision and edge quality. Check for dull spots. The paper cut test reveals microchips and rough edges. Step 2. Prepping the Whetstones. Soak rough and medium grit stones. Fully submerge until air bubbles stop. Avoid over-soaking fine stones. They can crack if left in water too long. Use only water, no oil. Keeps the sharpening process clean and smooth. Step 3. Fixing chipped knives. Use a 220 grit rough stone. Removes chips by grinding down the edge. Hold the knife at a steady angle. Consistency is key to even sharpening. Apply firm, controlled pressure. Push down when pulling the knife towards you. Release on the way back. Flip and repeat for even sharpening. Ensures a balanced, symmetrical edge. Step 4. Refining and polishing the edge. Use a medium grit stone, 1000-3000 grit. Smooths out rough edges from the rough stone. Maintain the same angle. 2 pennies stacked under the spine provide a great reference. Check for a burr formation. A small ridge along the blade means it's sharpening correctly. Step 5. Final polishing and honing. Use a finishing stone, 5000 plus grit. Creates a razor-sharp, mirror-like edge. Light, pressure only. Pressing too hard can crush the fine edge. Strop the knife on a leather strap. Removes the last micro-imperfections. Now you know how to restore and sharpen your knives like a pro. How often do you sharpen your knives? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen tips. Want to improve your knife skills? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert sharpening and cutting techniques.